Hi all, my name is Adina Din, and in this video we're going to talk about the pre-approval process. For those of you who are considering looking to buy or looking to refinance, I hope that you reach out to me to get started with the loan process. So normally when I'm speaking to a client who is looking to get pre-approved, I would send them an email with a list of the documents that we need, a list of items that we need. And in that email, you'll see, there would be a fillable loan application, the borrower authorization and credit card authorization form that needs to be filled out. Now, just very quickly, let's talk about the loan application, because the loan application may seem a little bit intimidating. It is fillable. You can fill it out without having to print it out. But the loan application may be a little bit intimidating because it does ask you a lot of questions. Please do know that the two sections that are super important to us would be the personal information section as well as the employment information. For your employment information, please be as thorough as possible. Let us know where you work, how long you've been working there, what your salary looks like, and if there's any gap, please let us know as well. Now, I'm assuming most of us have been working at the same job for the last year, 2 years, 5 years, or 10 years. So that should be pretty easy. But for those of us who jump around jobs, if there's gap and such, definitely lenders want an explanation for that. So the more you give us information about that, the easier it would be for us to help you. So hopefully, that would be a pretty easy process for you. But if you have any questions about the loan application, please feel free to call me directly, and I'll definitely, be more than happy to walk you through the process. And the borrower authorization and credit card authorization form actually, will give us permission to pull your credit, and will allow us to see what that looks like. Along with that, we'll also ask for your general documents such as your ID and your social security number, and then we'll also ask for your income documents. And normally if you are a salaried borrower, we would ask for 2 years income tax return, 2 years of your W-2s, and 1 month pay stub, as well as 2 months bank statements or other assets that you may have. Now, depending on your situation, you may not be salaried, you may be self-employed. In that case, please look at the self-employed section, because there, it does pertain. There are additional documents that are required from self-employed borrowers. Also, if you're looking to refinance, we also need a copy of your current mortgage statement, as well as a copy of your hazard insurance or your property taxes. And if there's a condo, we would need the condo contact information. But other than that, everything should be pretty self-explanatory. There should be a list of these items in the email, and I'm always available to answer any questions that you may have. So please don't hesitate to call me if there's anything that you're stuck on at all. But once we get all the documents, we would pull your credit, and then we'll actually enter all your information in our system, and then we'll pull your credit. We'll look at your liability versus your income, which is your debt to income ratio. We'll look at your FICO score, which is the middle score, of the 3 scores that we get from your credit report. And from there, we determine, based on the lenders that we work with, how much of a loan you qualify for, as well as the rate that you qualify for. Now, when we get all that information, we'll reach out to you and we'll let you know what you qualify for. It may be the case that you qualify for more of a loan than you need. In that case, we'll talk about what your mortgage payment would look like at certain prices, and we can go from there. Once you're happy with that, and have gotten all your questions answered, we would send you a pre-approval letter to you as well as your agent if you have one. And you can start shopping for a loan, or if it's a refinance, we would go ahead and submit your document to the best lender that we have that would offer you the best rate, and and start working on your loan that way. I hope that explains everything, but please know that I'm always available to answer questions. Please give me a call at 310-930-1924. Again, it's 310